Hello, this is Rhonda Hamelsmith, Deputy Chief for Operational Support. On the occasion of the 2022 Toronto Public Service Week, I'd like to say a big thank you to all of our employees in operational support. To our payroll, accounting, purchasing, finance, and administrative professionals, our stores clerks, couriers, materials management staff, equipment repair technicians, O2 technician, vehicle mechanics, facilities, our CAC IT, radio, and engineering staff, our logistics techs, schedulers, and our process improvement and reprocessing staff, and all of our operational support superintendents and commanders. I want you all to remember that the critical work you do makes it possible for Toronto Paramedic Services to provide 24/7 healthcare to the public. Your commitment to excellence is outstanding and very much recognized and appreciated by the division and the city. Thank you.